guys, in this video of YouTube marketing course, I'm going to teach you what is community tab and what is the benefits of using community tab on YouTube, right? So let's just directly jump into my YouTube channel and learn there that what a community tab exactly is. Guys, as you can see, right now I'm in Marketing Fundas global channel, which is our channel over here, and you'll be able to see that we do have one option over here, which is community tab. So community tab is basically like a tab for communication with your audience, because through YouTube videos you can't directly communicate with them, right? Let's say if you want some suggestions, if you want to show you, or if you have any kind of immediate announcement, so in that case you need to use the community tab option, right? Because in immediate announcement you can't create a video, then edit that video and then publish that, right? It will take too long time. So for that reason you can use community tab. YouTube has given an option that community tab can be used for these kind of things, right? So as you can see, I have just published one post over here, and that is like I was asking for the suggestions of my audience, that which digital skill do you want to learn next, kind of thing, like YouTube mastery, LinkedIn marketing, search engine optimization, then drop shipping and all, right? And then my audience has answered me the skill they want to learn. If I show you in my backend of my channel, as you can see, this is the poll which I have created. You will be able to see a post option in the content category, where the community posts get added whenever you create. Like if I show you in the dashboard option, let me show you here in the latest post, you'll be able to see all the data, like how many people have voted, and uh, what is the score, basically what is the vote over here, right? And if you have created a new channel, so you'll be not able to get this community option, because YouTube has set a criteria that you need at least 500 subscribers in order to unlock the community tab. So as you can see, this is the channel which we have created in this course itself, just the demo channel one, right? Now here in the demo channel you'll be able to see that no community tab is available over here, right? Even in the backend section you'll be not able to see the post option in content category, right? You just have videos, live, playlist, podcast, and nothing. Promotion is from, like, uh, we are getting from it TubeBuddy, right? So this is the options we have only. Now what is the basic use of community tab? If I show you some examples, like in Marketing Fundas Global, we haven't posted that much because the number of subscribers we have is not that much, right? So that the interaction can happen, but still we have posted few posts. But if we go to our main channel, which is Marketing Fundas, right? So in Marketing Fundas we regularly post on our community tab. As you can see here, whenever we have any course announcement, we announce it through our community tab. Then if we have any kind of information, if we have any kind of meme that can be shared to digital marketing audience, we post that meme into our community tab. As you can see here, this is a meme, and this is a, again we have created a poll in Marketing Fundas channel as well, like which one of the following strategies can be effective for promoting a business on Telegram. So we have given the option and our users have answered those options. Again one poll over here, then the informative post is also there, right? So this is how you can communicate with your audience on the community tab. If you have anything to share, if you have any announcement, if you have any kind of course which you want to launch, you can again post on community tab. So tons of usage are there. It is kind of a separate, or you can say side social media on YouTube, where you can connect with your followers, where you can take your followers suggestions as well, right? And this helps all the YouTubers to create more engaging content which their uh, audience likes, right? So this is what the basic use of community tab, and I hope you understood what a community tab is exactly for, right? And if you're still confused, or if you have any question or query, please comment down below. I'll answer those questions in the comment section itself. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that subscribe and like button. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.